present in number 1, 34.2 gram of cane sugar. 34.2 grams of cane sugar. Number 2, 1 liter of water. 1 liter of water, assuming that density of water is 1 gram per cc. 1 gram per cc. Number 3, 1 drop of water, 1 drop of water having mass 0.05 grams. The first question was calculate the number of molecules in 34.2 grams of cane sugar. Yes, Jane, what is the molar mass of cane sugar? What is the molar mass of cane sugar? Yes, tell me. What is the molar mass of cane sugar? Supriya?
342 gram per mole.
Okay, 342 grams per mole. Gaurav Beniwal, what is the molar mass of water?
18.
Molar mass of water is 18 gram.
18 grams per mole. Grams
Per
per
mole.
mole पूरा बोलना है. Okay. Nishchal, what is the molar mass of carbon dioxide?
44 grams per mole.
Yes, Kanika, molar mass of glucose.
180 gram per mole.
Yes, Shruti, molar mass of ammonia.
17 gram per mole.
Gagandeep, molar mass of HCl.
36.5 gram per mole.
Molar mass of HNO3, Chitran Saxena.
63 grams per mole.
Amisha, H2SO4.
98 gram per mole.
Yes, Kangana, NaCl.
58.5 grams per mole.
58.5 grams per mole.
5 grams.
Divyam Singhi, NaOH.
40 grams per mole.
40
Grams per mole.
40 grams per mole. All right. Karthikeyan, NaCl. 'Sujal Sukeja, NaCl.
58.5 grams per mole.
Okay, sawmill, NaOH.
Ma'am, 40 gram.
Yes, Shivang, CO2.
Ma'am, 44 gram per mole.
Sarab, cane sugar.
342 gram per mole.
Sahil Vashiani. Sahil Vashiani, urea. Rishi, urea. Rishi Upadhyay.
60 grams per mole. 60 grams per mole.
Yes, one more urite, calcium carbonate, 100 grams per mole. CaCO3, 100 grams per mole. ये भी by heart करना है. CaCO3, 100 grams per mole. Okay, come to our question. 34.2 grams of cane sugar. Whatever may be the weight of cane sugar, let's find out. Means we know that 342 grams per mole है तो if it is 342 grams per mole 342 grams. If it is 1 mole, that means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules hai to its weight is 342 grams per mole. Or 342 grams hai to 1 mole. This is what is meant by 342 grams per mole. Per mole 342 grams. So 342 grams means per mole, 1 mole, which is equal to what? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Compound hai to likhna hai molecule. Now, they have asked only for 34.2 grams. 34.2 grams hai to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules divided by this number, that is 342 into 34.2. 34.2. These many molecules will be there. Calculate. This is 34.2. That is 34.2, and this is 342. So you can calculate the number of molecules. Number 2, 1 liter of water. 1 liter of water means 1000 ml. That is the volume. 1000 ml. 1 liter of water. That is 1000 ml. ml you have to write small m, capital L. It's not like this. It's not like this. ml you have to show small m and capital L. We require like this only. Otherwise it will create some problem afterwards. Okay. 1000 ml. That is the volume. 1 liter of water, assuming that the density of water is 1 gram per cc. 1 gram per centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube means ml. Okay. So density, this is the volume and the density. These two things are given. That is 1 grams per cc. Cc means centimeter cube. That is 1 grams per centimeter cube or 1 gram per ml. All are same. All are same. So what will be the weight? We need the weight because we know that the molar mass of water is 18 grams per mole. If it is 18 gram, 1 mole will be there. If it is 18 grams, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules will be there. So if it is 18 gram, there will be 1 mole. What is the gram here? What is the gram here? You know that mass by volume is density, or mass is equal to volume into density. So you find out the mass of this water. That is, mass is equal to this volume into density. That is 1000 ml. That is 1000 ml into density. That is 1 gram per ml. 1 gram per ml. That means it is 1000 gram. Otherwise also you know that it is 1000 gram. 1000 ml water means 1000 gram. So 1000 gram water contains how many moles? 18 gram has to 1 mole. So 1000 gram means how many moles? Into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, those many molecules will be there. So you calculate it, that is, we have 1000 gram water. We have now 1000 gram water. So if it is 18 gram means 1 mole. So you just find out in this 1000 gram how many 18s are there. In this 1000 grams, how many 18 grams are there? So we will be calculating that is 1000 grams divided by 18 grams per mole. So these many moles you will be getting. These many moles you will be getting. 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So 1000 divided by 18 means 55.55. 1000 gram upon 18 means 55.55. All right. So these many molecules. Now next question is, one drop of water having this much weight. One drop of water. They have given the weight, whether it is one drop or how many drops, we are not bothered about that drop. We are bothered about the weight. So weight is given 0.05 gram, right? So in this, how many 18s? How many 18s are there? How many 18 grams are there? You divide this by 18, right? So you will be getting those many moles. 1 mole. 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So the number of molecules will be 0.05 upon 18. These many moles into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. These many molecules will be present. So you can write molecules here. These many molecules. These many molecules. Or you have written here number of molecules, so you can just show that number. No problem. So that's about the number of molecules present in this. Now next question you write, calculate the number of moles. Calculate the number of moles in number 196 gram of H2SO4. Number 196 grams of H2SO4. Number 2, 88 grams of carbon dioxide. Number 3, 160 gram of NaOH. 160 gram of NaOH. Here the weights are given. This is the 9th class question. You know it. So here 196 gram of H2SO4. Whatever may be the weight. That weight, in that weight, how many 98 grams are there? 98 gram, 1 mole. Next 98 gram, next mole. Next 98 gram, next mole. Next 98 gram, next mole. So 196 grams of H2SO4. You divide this weight by 98. Then you can see how many moles are present, right? So what is the number of moles in 196 gram of H2SO4? Yes, Shivang Dwivedi, tell me, Shivang.
Ma'am, 196 divided by 98, 2
Yes.
moles.
Yes, two. How many moles? 2 moles. All
2
right.
moles.
Okay. Do the other questions also, all of you.
I'm done.
Yes. Today is 10th. All right, so 88 grams of carbon dioxide. Shivin Soni, tell me the answer. Rakshita Bansali, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 88 divided by 44, 2 moles.
Yes, 2 moles. Palaksh Chaturvedi. Next answer. 160.
Ma'am, 160 divided by 40.
Yes, 160 divided by 40.
160 divided by 44 moles.
Yes, 4 moles, correct. All right, so whatever may be the weight, you just divide that by the corresponding molar mass. You will be getting how many moles are there. If you get the moles, then multiply by the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. You will be getting the number of molecules. Now that is a mole concept. Whatever may be the weight, isme how many moles are there. That is a mole concept. But I am taking this to molarity also, though it is not in your syllabus. I am just giving the molarity. Molarity, when you dissolve this, for example, 140 grams of NaOH, 160 gram of NaOH, if you dissolve in water and make up that water to 1 liter, that means in that 1 liter solution, 1 liter solution, you shake it well for uniform concentration. In that 1 liter solution, what is the number of moles? How many moles of NaOH are there? Somil, we have taken 160 gram of NaOH. We added water, dissolved it well. You kept on adding water. Now the solution is there. Again, you kept on adding water and the solution's volume reached 1 liter, 1000 ml. After that, you have shaken it well for uniform concentration. The taste is same. Upar ka taste, niche ka taste, beech mein. The taste or concentration is same. The concentration is same. How many moles you dissolved in 1 liter? Shivin Son. How many moles of NaOH you dissolved in this? How many grams of NaOH you dissolved in this? Park?
1000 gram.
How many grams of NaOH you dissolved in this water to make it?
160.
160. That means how many moles?
4 moles.
4 moles. In 1 liter, 4 moles. We say the concentration of that solution is 4 molar. 4 molar. How many moles are there in that 1 liter? We say 4 molar. You can simply write it as 4 moles. Suppose instead of this 160, I'm making the solution, and in that solution only 40 grams I dissolved. Uniformly distributed in that solution of 1 liter. Now the solution has only 40 grams of NaOH. How many moles are there in that 1 liter solution? How many moles of NaOH are there in that 1 liter solution? Pragya. Pradishta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 40 grams of NaOH I dissolved in water. I made the solution. I kept on adding water to make it as 1 liter, and I have shaken well that for uniform concentration. Now, what is the number of moles of NaOH in that 1 liter solution?
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, 1 mole. 40 grams means 1 mole. So,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
can I say the concentration? What is the concentration of that solution in terms of that?
Ma'am, 1 molar.
1 molar. 1 molar. Which is highly concentrated? 1 molar or 4 molar? 1 molar or 4 molar? Shreya Panjoli? Which is highly concentrated? Both the solutions volume is 1 liter only.
4 molar.
4 molar solution. 4 molar solution is 4 times concentrated. Okay, thank you.